Hi, this is Federico, and in this video, I'm going to answer a question that was submitted about changing the year at the bottom of this Christmas tree ornament to have instead a simple trunk. So let's do that. This is a quick one. So because we're modifying an existing Cuttle template, we want to go to the top of the page, and there's going to be a button that says Edit in Cuttle. So if I click there, this is going to show me a view of the Cuttle editor, and it's also going to give me a prompt at the bottom that says copy this project. And this is important. You want to copy this project so all the changes get saved to your private projects folder. So I'm going to do that. And once I did it, I'm going to start by getting rid of the year. And this is the simplest thing because I only need to change the year parameter here to be blank. So I just delete the existing one. That gets rid of it. And then let's add a trunk. So I'm going to do it on the component here on the left that is called front. I'll explain why in a moment. I think the easiest way to add a trunk is to grab the shape called the trapezoid. I'm going to search for trapezoid, and it's this basic shape right there. I'm going to place it on the center. And the important thing here is that this shape is overlapping. So here we can actually do some changes to scale it, make it perhaps a bit stouter. You can also make it shorter. But if you make any changes, make sure that at the end of the changes, again, this is overlapping. And it's nice that if it's just overlapping that line at the bottom, if you go too high, then it might interrupt the letters. So I think this is good. And then because this design has nice rounded corners, I want to add a little detail as well to the trapezoid. So I'm going to select it, add a round corners modifier, make the radius a bit smaller so the rounding is subtle but clean. And finally, to finish this off, I just need to select everything and then apply the Boolean union modifier or weld. So that makes it into a single shape that we can cut. And I think this works. Finally, the reason I did it here on using the front component is that if I go back and look at my options to export, I can still do this optional backer, which might be cool. So as you can see, the optional backer calculates the red outline around the trunk that we added. So I hope this is helpful. Please keep the questions coming, and thank you so much for watching.